technology student.
They are waiting for you. They'll address you. Once the chemical student seniors interaction completed, at last food tech students also will interact.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. We can go for slideshow.
So good morning, everyone. This is Dr. V. Arunajamani, heading the Department of Chemical Engineering. Today, I am very proud to introduce our senior students, Mr. Gokul, Mr. Karthikeyan, and Mr. Lokeshwar, who are the shining stars of our department, as well as our university too. They are the one who is playing the role of leaders in most of the student activities. If you see Mr. Gokul, he is the president of Fine Arts Club, CAR. Mr. E. Karthikeyan, he is the treasurer of Nature Club, CAR. Mr. K. Lokeshwaran, he is the secretary of Photography Club, CAR. Now, I hand over the session to my shining stars. The session is yours. Please proceed.
And whether my face is visible to all?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Fine. Thank you. Guys, very warm good morning to every one of you here. And first and foremost, I feel good morning. I feel very proud to welcome you all to the RA family. And I am spending the second day with you, I hope so, because yesterday we had a long interaction without video, but it's a second of interaction with you. And I am very happy to join you all as a senior of final year chemical engineering, myself, Gokul. And hope everyone is safe in this lockdown and learning some new things, right? As you are getting admission in a normal day, you'll be coming to college and you'll be having a live interaction, but it is a virtual mode and we are in a new normal situation. I hope so. October, we will be meeting in person and we will have a brief interaction sessions too. And today, I'm going to highlight a few important points regarding our chemical engineering department. To every one of you, everyone can hear, so you can have an outline about all the departments, right? So first, what is chemical engineering? Chemical engineering is not one department. It is a cluster of all the engineering and science departments. If you combine all the engineering and science departments, it is chemical engineering. We can say it as simple. And the most important point I would like to convey here is the department which we are now running here. Our department has very reputed faculties from NITs, that is NIT and IIT, we have faculties, and we have faculties which having a lot of international exposure with postdoctoral fellowships. And we are having very reputed faculties. This is one of the most important advantage about our department, the first thing. And the second thing is we have well-equipped laboratories. This is thing which I need to convey regarding our department. And the third thing which I need to convey is regarding our curriculum. My friends will be covering all the parts regarding our department. First, I will go on with the curriculum. Why I am going to discuss about the curriculum means the portion which you study 4 years will be helpful for you in your postgraduate studies and also in your job too. So it is important to know what is in the curriculum of chemical engineering. Though our curriculum is very vast and diverse, and it is at the standard of NITs and IITs of India, right? Why I'm saying is our curriculum is very diverse, and as everyone knows, our department is accredited with ABET from USA for 6 years. And this 6 years accreditation program has been taken place at the month of December last year, and our department has gone there for accreditation. ABET PU program chair came from USA, and the program chair informed that your curriculum is very vast and diverse, and it is well enough to sustain in all types of industries. This is the major advantage of our curriculum, and we have very vast curriculum in sense chemical engineers can get job in all type of activities. Not only like mechanical, you can go for like mechanical core works. Civil, we can go for civil core works. Not like that. We have a very diverse amount of activities we can involve. You can say we can also indulge in mechanical related, civil related, EE, CE, everything, all the departments we will. We will get jobs in food industries. So we are studying food processing technology as an elective in our department. We will be getting a job in polymer. So we will be studying polymer technology. We'll be getting jobs in electrochemical. So we'll be studying electrochemical technology. These are the few highlights. We are studying all diverse fields, all the subjects which are needed to a chemical engineer to get job in all types of industries we are having in our electives. It is the most important point, and you have a lot of options to study electives, and our department faculties are very much equipped with to teach you all types of electives so that you can sustain in all types of industries of chemical engineering. This is the first thing. And the second thing, as I said first, our department is very diverse, and we have all types of all engineering and science department combined to have our department. It is the first point I have said related to chemical engineering, right? What I need to convey is we have an option to study open electives, right? You can select an open elective which is interested. Other than chemical engineering, you can study other department subjects. You can opt a subject which you like the most. So while doing projects, you can involve all the concepts you studied there in the open elective and the electives you have studied in our department and the core papers, and you can make a project very well, right? And this is the thing I need to convey about the curriculum with all of you guys. And the thing which I need to say is, when I came first year in Career Family, I was coming in the department without knowing anything related to chemical engineering, right? I came just blank, and my department's seniors, as like same, they came for live interaction and say what is it. And I approached faculties, they supported us a lot. I can assure you, and I can say 100% that no faculties in the university can support the students like chemical engineering. I am very proud and bold to say here, because they are very helpful and they are very friendly. If you approach in all aspects, they will help you. Not only your academics, they also help you in all points of personal activities and everything, right? If you have any difficulties, kindly if you approach, they will help you. And the thing is, if you ask any doubts and they need to refer, the faculties will say that they will refer and tell. And the next day, you will get the answer for the question you asked, and the more knowledge, in-depth knowledge, they will add some more points, what about you asked, and you will get a clear picture. This is the main advantage. And I can say that not only one faculty in the department is like this, all the faculties are like the same, right? So it is a biggest advantage about the department I need to convey here. And the important thing is, as ma'am said, as everyone knows, I am currently leading the Fine Arts Club. How it started? It's only because of my department, and I am proud to say that my department made me grow like this. Because when I came first year, 1 month, one of my colleague, the next who is going to speak, Lokeshwaran, was acting as a class representative of our class. And the second month, I have been taken an in charge to look after my whole class, where in my class there were biotechnology, food technology, and chemical engineering first year. Because first year you will be clubbed with other departments, and you will be having some group of class with other departments too. So I have in that class I have managed the class for 1 year, and from second and third years, and second year and third year first semester, I have been the class representative for my class, and I have been taking responsibilities to help my students. So it helps me to improve my leadership qualities, as every faculty call me and give me work and ask them to lead my class. It gives a better opportunity to learn more things and get exposure to more of the opportunities. So I have improve my qualities, and I have now taken charge as the president. So my department is the biggest backbone and pillar to this posting, which I have now being here, and I'm very proud to say to every one of the chemical engineering students and also other students over here. And the second thing I need to say is, if you need to learn and the learning opportunity is not, we cannot say what to say means, we have very equipped laboratories, we have very well versed things, but not the all things will be getting in one place. We have to round the world to learn some new exposure in part of design, because design concept is biggest concept. My department helped me to go to national NIT, Malviya National Institute of Technology at Jaipur, to learn advanced design concepts. It is one of the major advantage, and my department helped me to go there. I learned 1 week training program there and learned lot of simulation and designs. And while I returned here, my department doesn't hesitate, and they gave me opportunity to teach to all the students over there, to what I learned there. So this is the point which you notice about the chemical engineering department. And the third thing is, our seniors are now in a better positions, studying PG programs at various reputed institutions, and currently working as production, design engineer, safety engineer, and all aspects in various reputed institutions. I am very proud to say that our seniors are in a very good way, and we are getting very support from them. And finally, I would like to say one thing is, don't hesitate to come forward. Please come forward and get support from your department. Our department will support you in all aspects. And with the department support, I have published 6 journal articles in various reputed journals. So this is the one example I have to say the department helped me in this aspect. As now only I am starting my final year, but I have 6 journals in reputed, 6 publications in reputed journals. This is the department helps all of you students. So please come forward, don't hesitate. Happy learning, and I kindly welcome each and every one of you here to the Career family, and thank you for this wonderful opportunity. And I will hand over the session to Mr. K. Lokeshwaran.
Yes, thank you, Gokul. Am I audible?
Yes, Lokesh.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Gokul. Thank you, Aruna ma'am, for giving this opportunity to me. Hello. Greeting to every one of you present over here. Yeah, all freshers, welcome. We are eagerly waiting to see you in our career family. I am Lokeshwaran K, first year final year chemical engineering in our college. Yeah, now I am going to say about the course patterns followed here. There are 3 types of course patterns followed here. First one is integrated course, which is where our college is not only giving the importance to theory only, it also give the same importance to the practical knowledge also. The practical laboratories will be the implementations of the theory part, and that you can gain more knowledge from it. Next, theory with practical. In this type of paper, we use laboratories to do our activities or experiments, which is mentioned in our courses, which is used to elaborate our knowledge. And the last thing is theory papers. Theory papers are the one who we gain the knowledge, where we gain the knowledge and strengthen you in the theory concepts such as laws, basic formulas, etc. Okay, these are the course patterns we are following here. And the next thing is coming to the laboratories. We have well equipped laboratories in our department, which have been appreciated by the ABET committee, as the equipment we are having will give a great practical knowledge to the students. We are having the laboratories for our chemical engineering basics platforms such as heat transfer laboratory, mass transfer laboratory, and fluid mechanics laboratory, mechanical operations laboratory, chemical engineering reaction laboratory, process dynamic control laboratories. Yeah, these are all the laboratories we are having in our department. Using these kind of resources and laboratories, me and my several friends have done a consultancy projects to the industries. They have appreciated our work, and also they have gained lots of benefits by our consultancies. Only few departments have doing consultancies for the industries. Our department is one which gives equal importance to academics as well as these kind of projects. I can proudly say that my friend Gokul, Karthikeyan, and Anandan have done a consultancy and have planned a design and designed a plant layout under the guidance of our HOD ma'am, Dr. V. Aruna Janani, We are very blessed to have you as a HOD, ma'am. Thank you. And also, they have been going to implement that industry in Kerala. Yeah, first of all, I haven't said about what is consultancy projects. For example, a kingdom will always have a advisory minister in its dynasty. Like that, every industry will have a consultancy engineer from all over the world. We can proudly say that we are already one of the consultancy engineer. By doing such kind of activities, we can gain knowledge in industrial exposure. The next thing is we can get closer to the faculties and we can gain knowledge from them so that the interaction between the student, faculty, and the industry will all be gained, which is a benefit for us. Next, coming to the knowledge gaining center, which is nothing but the library. Our department library have foreign author books, which is used to explore knowledge to the core. We can utilize it whenever we need because our department door is always open for the students who need to explore knowledge. Yeah, coming to the next, GATE exam. GATE is nothing but graduate aptitude test in engineering, which is a test for students' knowledge and understanding of the undergraduate level subjects in the engineering and science. For this exam, our department is providing special coaching for this exam. Last but not least, how much you use the faculty will give you as much knowledge do you want. Yeah, thank you. From this, I am hand over in the session to Mr. E. Karthikeyan. Thank you. Karthikeyan? Yeah.
Ma'am, sound check, video check, all good, ma'am?
Yeah, all good, Ra.
Yes, Karthi, it is okay. Yes.
Okay. Hello, all. Good morning, everyone. Hello, juniors. How's the Joes? Can I get any hello or hi from chat box? Anything?
Hi, bro.
Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, senior.
Hi, bro.
Hello.
I think you all get all the academics and other stuff here. Now I am here to share my campus experience, what I went through, what I learned.
Hi, senior.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Okay, it is enough.
Yes.
It is enough.
Okay. 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 Actually, I'm E. Karthikeyan of final year chemical engineering. 3 years ago, things were all were no new normal, no virtual, everything was perfect. But I'm also one like you, like a first year student who joined care. Okay. I'm also with a mixed feeling. I did the right thing. I'm suitable for engineering, like that. So I was worried about my career, my future. The first day I hate to be here. Okay. From the next day I attended FIP. For me, FIP is always the best 5 days of my lifetime. Okay. It's like getting friends and finding faculty, these kind of things. Okay. So you make use of this FIP. Uh, First of all, I like to thank my HOD ma'am, Dr. V. Arunajani ma'am, for this special opportunity. And guys, and everyone says ABET. What is ABET? ABET is a international certification and accreditation program. ABET, Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology. What is value of it? It's accredited by American professionals, which who got 20 plus years experience. So our department is accredited by ABET for 6 years. What is value of ABET? When you going for higher studies in countries like USA, Europe, so your application will be prioritized. You will be handled as a special case from a best university of the world. Okay, one of the best institutions of the world. When you are going, everyone has dreamed about USA, Canada, and these kind of things. I'm also one of that. Okay. When you are going to USA or Canada with your degree with ABET accreditation, you can get it. Actually, you can get it. You will be prioritized. He's from a good university with good grades. So I was from Tamil medium. I was from a middle class family from Trichy. So I was a bit worried about my engineering and my future. How I am gonna survive here on the first day. Okay. Now I am with good CGPA with 3+ research publication. Now I am worried about my college life ending. Why is this gonna end this much fast? So no, do never hesitate. You choose Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education, and then you choose Department of Chemical. You guys really done a good job. Okay, don't worry about it. Everything are gonna be fine. Okay. everyone is, I think college life is not at all about academic studies, books, exam tests. So we have to talk about extracurricular activities. As mentioned before, my friends Lokeshwar and Gokul and myself are the bearers, official bearers of the biggest student bodies of Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. Our department not at all producing students with a blank degree. They always produce the students with extra values, with leadership qualities, entrepreneurship qualities, and these things kind of make who you are, show you, expose yourself to the world. Okay, your blank degree won't make anything better. I think so. By saying photographic club, I know we have each and every engineers are not interested in engineering. Maybe photography is the first love for each and everyone. I experienced it among everyone, and I am part of Nature Club family. And Gokul is in charge of finance club. Finance club, everyone is interested in dance, singing, these kind of extracurricular activities. These activities gonna help you complete your non-CGPA. Don't worry about your CGPA, non-CGPA things. That thing's gonna be easy alone. The faculties and your friends gonna help you throughout this journey. So it's always gonna be easy. Then you can say it. Then what is co-curricular? Your department and your academics gonna give you the skills, knowledge for becoming an engineer. But these soft skills like interview skills and your gestures and aptitude solving, these kind of things only gonna get you job. When you are looking for a job, you have to very good in soft skills like leadership skills and entrepreneurship skills and interview manners and how to answer a person, language skills, spoken language. These kind of things only gonna help you in the interview and other things. Okay. Uh, I think the next point is co-curricular. Our department faculties always train us like a best in co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities. So I swear, I am not the same on speaking in front of you. I have so many insecurities. I was with a huge inferiority complex here. Inferiority. I joined here with a huge inferiority. How I am gonna survive here? People are looking better than us. I am from Tamil medium. Or else I am from middle class family. Here everyone looks good. I also same that inferiority comes. Now I am speaking in front of you and explaining my life. Okay. So first year is you are mingled with other department friends. You will find many more friends. I swear, Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education hostels is the best way of living in hostel. You never find a good place like this kind of hostel there. You find what is life here. Actually, in FIP, I find four plus my friends, four plus friends, I think so. 4+1, 5+ friends here. They are still best friends of mine. They are always walking with each and every parts hardships in my life. I think so. So our department not at all producing students with their black degree. We always good with another values too. That shows. When coming to co-curricular activities, paper presentation, everyone knows. We all watched in movies. Hero, heroine working in an IT company, they are presenting a slide to the. This is the best way of exposing and presenting our knowledge and idea, our plan to the others. So paper presentation. When you are doing a research project, you have to do paper presentation in symposium or conference, these kind of things also. So things gonna be work. Yeah, so paper presentation is a meets an important skill before you joining in a company or else before after joining a company. Paper presentation is important of exposing your knowledge to others. Okay. So interview manners, how to walk inside interview. They're gonna teach you this time. Okay. How to walk in interview, walk into the interview room, how to speak with others, how to convey your qualification. This kind of things gonna play a big role in your after college role. So don't worry about it. We are in a new. We are from. I'm from Andhra. I'm from other state. I'm from this school. Yeah, he is better than me. He is speaking better than never. His life, everything not gonna be say the same. Okay, things change, things improve, and everything develops. Okay, so don't worry about it. I can say my friend Gokul. I was at the first year. I have some difficulties in writing. Okay, I can catch the notes from the faculties. I directly approach the faculties during the class hours. Okay, sir, I am not understanding this. I am not getting this. You are not audible. These kind of things gonna they will come to myself. They will come to me and explain me. These kind of things only make me who I am today. Now I am a student with a good CGPA with 3+ research publications. With the official bearer of one of the reputed clubs of Nature Club clips of Kalasalingam Academy for Research and Education. I know. I was worried about this department of chemical engineering. Everyone says their course is hard. But the reality is chemical engineering is never tough at all. Our faculties and your friends, they gonna make things better. They gonna make your things better. Actually, the subject is tough alone. Our faculties will teach you easy how to answer, how to solve, how the thing gonna work in user. If you're studying a content in through the whole week, you will run half of the unit, one unit through the week. But you're gonna apply the whole thing in the lab. And we got conducted by workshops also. We all know. Anybody knows Windows, Intel, and Apple, these kind of companies and computer big shots are why started in US? Anybody knows? Okay, now no problem. I will explain you. Because we all know Silicon Valley is situated in America, USA, United States of America, Silicon Valley, and we all know our processor in our computer, our memory card, our each and every processor in our mobile phone, as each are made in silicon. Okay, we all know semiconductor silicons are easy thing, bro. This belong to EC department. And not at all. In product producing the semiconductor, it's made up of silicon. In Silicon Valley, is full of chemical engineers alone. Chemical engineers only extracting the silicon from silicon dioxide. We all know that silicon dioxide, it's that contains of that silicon. They're gonna convert the normal clay into silicon and to convert in a processor in your computer like Intel, AMD, and mobile processor like we are here, that Snapdragon, and these kind of things. That's why the companies like Windows, Apple, these kind of companies are situated and initiated from USA. That Silicon Valley make things. And we chemical engineers are called universal engineers and at all. But universal engineers, the term comes from if you actually chemistry people designs the equation, designs the reaction. Actually, we gonna scale up we are going to scale up the reaction and producing the product in huge scale. Okay, so we people are gonna working in mechanical industries, energy sector. When we are going to work in atomic energy or else like NLC, like coal or thermal energy, these kind of people, energy sector is the biggest opportunities for chemical engineers. And we all know about petrochemical engineers. Now we all know Indian dollar, American dollar equal to 63 rupees of India. Which defines American dollars quantity? Just crude oil. We extract this petrol, diesel, these kind of things from that crude oil alone. Okay, so crude oil makes sense. Who are extracting and refining this crude oil into petrol, diesel, everything? We chemical engineers, we are doing the major role in the extracting petrol, diesel. So we do, and which is the costliest metal in the world: silver, gold, platinum. We chemical engineers work in the with those mines. I have to mention this point here. Everyone thinks IT sector is gonna be always good. It's the biggest sector. It's not at all. I don't think so. I swear, chemical engineer. You can Google it also. Chemical engineers is the highest paid engineers in the world. You can check it there in America and each across the world. Chemical engineers are highest paid engineers in the world. So we make things better. We converting the small things into which are affordable for each and everyone. So most of the chemical engineers are become as entrepreneurs also. Okay, so I think, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. I want to mention my special thanks to Dr. V. Arnajani ma'am, our HOD, most experienced faculty of our university, and then Sushmita ma'am, who is a student faculty coordinator and head of our nature club, Nightingale of Kalasalingam Academy of Education, and then Chitra ma'am, she is one of the best staff in food technology. They always gonna help you. And Theorana ma'am, I really miss your first year laboratory hours. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for bearing in. Last only one advice. Do what you love what you do. Be yourself, love yourself, be who you are. Things gonna work the things you want will reach you in unexpected ways. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for hearing. You can shoot your questions through among us in the chat box or turning your voice also.
Again, we will do that in the end of the session,
Okay,
right?
thank you.
Technology students is also waiting.
Okay.
Right? So thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, my dear students. Thank you.
Thank you, juniors.
Thank you, juniors.
Thank you everyone for listening or patiently.